Hello students, I am Ma'am Zenny. Welcome to our online class. I am very happy to meet you all. Let us start our mathematics video tutorial. Our lesson for today is about division of fractions. Our objective for this lesson is divide fractions, fraction by fraction, whole number by fraction, mixed number by fraction, and mixed number by mixed number. In dividing fractions, we have to follow the following steps. Step 1. Take the reciprocal of the second fraction. Step 2. Multiply the reciprocal of the second fraction to the first fraction. Step 3. Reduce or simplify into lowest term. Examples. Number 1. 1/3 divided by 2/5. It can also be written as 1/3 divided by 2/5. 1/3 is our first fraction. 2/5 is our second fraction. 1 and 2 are the numerators. 3 and 5 are the denominators. Step 1. Take the reciprocal of the second fraction. Reciprocal is to change to the opposite position. Reciprocal of this second fraction. So 2, this will become the denominator. Then 5, the denominator, this will become the numerator. So 2, it will become the denominator. Then 5, it will become the numerator. Then step 2, multiply the reciprocal of the second fraction to the first fraction. So 1/3 times 5/2. 1 times 5 is equal to 5. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Thus, 1/3 divided by 2/5 is equal to 5/6. Number 2. 3/7 divided by 1/2. Remember the words keep, change, and flip. Keep the first fraction the same. That is 3/7. Change division to multiplication. Division to multiplication. Then flip the second fraction. 1/2, this will become 2/1. Then let us multiply. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 7 times 1 is equal to 7. Thus, 3/7 divided by 1/2 is equal to 6/7. Number 3. 9 divided by 4/5. Express whole number 9 as a fraction. Remember, the denominator of any whole number or integer is 1. So 9, the numerator of the first fraction, and 1 as the denominator. Remember the words keep, change, and flip. Keep the first fraction. Change division to multiplication. Flip the second fraction. 4 over 5, this will become 5 over 4. Then let us multiply. 9 times 5 is equal to 45. 1 times 4 is equal to 4. 45 over 4 is an improper fraction. We can change this into mixed number by dividing numerator and denominator. 45 divided by 4. So 45 divided by 4 is equal to 11. 11 times 4 is equal to 44. So 45 minus 44 is equal to 1. Remember, the quotient 11, this will become the whole number. Then, the remainder 1, this will become the numerator. Then, the divisor 4, this will become the denominator. Thus, 9 divided by 4 over 5 is equal to 45 over 4, or 11 and 1 over 4. Number 4. 2 and 2 over 5 divided by 4 over 9. 2 and 2 over 5 is a mixed number. A mixed number is a whole number and a proper fraction represented together. Let us change first mixed number to improper fraction. What is an improper fraction? Improper fraction is a fraction in which numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. How are we going to change mixed number to improper fraction? To change mixed number to improper fraction, step 1, multiply the whole number by the denominator. So 5 times 2. Step 2, add the answer from step 1 to the numerator. So add plus 2. So we have here 5 times 2 plus 2. 5 times 2 plus 2. Then step 3, write answer from step 2 over the denominator. So our denominator is 5 divided by 4 over 9. Next, 5 times 2 is equal to 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Then, copy the denominator 5. Remember the words keep, change, and flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication. Then, flip the second fraction. 4 over 9, it will become 9 over 4. Then, let us multiply. 12 times 9 is equal to 108. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. So let us simplify. What is the greatest common factor of 108 and 20? So the greatest common factor of 108 and 20 is 4. So let us divide 108 and 20 by 4. So 108 divided by 4, 20 divided by 4. 108 divided by 4 is equal to 27. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. Or we can cancel 12 and 4 using the cancellation method. Canceling fractions is also called simplifying fraction. A fraction can be made simpler by dividing the top and bottom by the same number. Both the top and bottom must divide evenly for you to simplify the fractions. So let us divide, or let us find the greatest common factor of 12 and 4. So the greatest common factor of 12 and 4 is 4. So 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. Then let us multiply. 3 times 9 is equal to 27. 5 times 1 is equal to 5. So they have the same answer. 27 over 5 is an improper fraction. Let us convert or change it into mixed number by dividing the numerator and the denominator. 27 divided by 5. 27 divided by 5 is equal to 5. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. 27 minus 25 is equal to 2. Remember, the quotient 5 is the whole number. The remainder 2 is the numerator. Then the divisor 5 is the denominator. Thus, 2 and 2 over 5 divided by 4 over 9 is equal to 27 over 5, or 5 and 2 over 5. Next, number 5. 4 and 2 over 3 divided by 2 and 4 over 7. So let us change mixed number to improper fraction. So multiply 3 times 4 plus 2. 3 times 4 plus 2. Then copy the denominator 3. Next, second fraction. 7 times 2 plus 4. 7 times 2 plus 4. Then copy the denominator 7. 3 times 4 plus 2 is equal to 3 times 4 is equal to 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. Then copy the denominator 3. Next, 7 times 2 is equal to 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. Then copy the denominator 7. Next, remember the word keep, change, and flip. So keep 14 over 3 in the first fraction. Then change division to multiplication. Then flip the second fraction. 18 over 7, this will become 7 over 18. Next, we can cancel out 14 and 18. So the greatest common factor is 2. So 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. So let us multiply. 7 times 7 is equal to 49. 3 times 9 is equal to 27. Let us convert improper fraction 49 over 27 to mixed number. 29, 49, divided by 27. 49 divided by 27 is equal to 1. 27 times 1 is equal to 27. 49 minus 27 is equal to 22. So the quotient 1 is the whole number. The remainder 22 is the numerator. And the divisor 27 is the denominator. Thus, 4 and 2 over 3 divided by 2 and 4 over 7 is equal to 49 over 27 or 1 and 22 over 27. Number 6, 2 over 9 divided by 3 over 5. In this example, we are going to use the cross multiplication. Step 1, for the numerator, multiply the numerator of the first fraction to the denominator of the second fraction. So 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Then step 2, for the denominator, multiply the denominator of the first fraction to the numerator of the second fraction. So 9 times 3 is equal to 27. Thus, 2 over 9 divided by 3 over 5 is equal to 10 over 27. Number 7. 1 over 7 divided by 3 over 4. In this example, we are going to use cross multiplication. Step 1, for the numerator, multiply the numerator of the first fraction to the denominator of the second fraction. So 1 times 4 is equal to 4. Step 2, for the denominator, multiply the denominator of the first fraction to the numerator of the second fraction. So 7 times 3 is equal to 21. Thus, 1 over 7 divided by 3 over 4 is equal to 4 over 21. Remember, cross multiplication is only applicable if we have a smaller number.
That's all for today. Once again, this is Mom Zenny saying mathematics is not about numbers, equations, computations, or algorithms. It is about understanding. This quote is from William Paul Thurston. Please don't forget to like and subscribe para updated ka sa lessons and video tutorials natin. You can also share this video tutorial with your friends. See you in our next lesson. Bye!